Good students, today we will study about reflections of light. Reflections of light. What is reflection of light? Before its, I have taught you about light. Today we will study reflections of light. What is reflection of light? Reflections of light is a very important role to see of any object easily. Today we will know about reflection of light. Reflection of light means bouncing back bouncing back of a beam of light from an object. Is called reflections of light. Reflection of light is called reflection of light. Here source of light is sun, and sunlight or beam of light fall on the vase. After this the beam reflect and vase image seen in a plane mirror. After this plane mirror reflect light of beam which fall on the girl eyes. Then girl see of the vase. It is depend on reflection of light. Reflected light, beam of light. Beam means group of ray fall on objects. That is known as beam. When ray move in a group, so that group is known as beam of light. Group of ray is known as beam of light. But ray is move only one direction or single, but not in group. that is known as ray. But rays move in a group, so that is known as beam of light, ray. Here, sunlight fall on the base and during reflection make image in a plane mirror, and plane mirror reflect light on the girl eyes. Then girl see waves clearly. Okay student, thus reflected of light is very important role in our life. All objects we see during the reflection, which is depend on the reflection. Sunlight fall on the object, and during reflection object reflect of that light on our eyes. Then we see clearly of the object. Many types of the objects as chair, books, fan, and different types of plants and trees or grass, all are seen under the sunlight. Sunlight fall on it, fall on that object, and object reflect of the light which fall on our eyes. Then we see the object. Therefore, reflection is very important role. Reflection of light is very important role to see any objects. So, okay student, here understand here as let a source of a light and fall on an object, a body or body, sunlight, source light or incident or fall on the body and after reflect here on the man eyes, reflected light, and incident or light fall on the body and reflected, and body reflect the light which fall on the man eyes. Then man see the body with clearly. If not do so, then man cannot see the body. Therefore, it is depend on the reflection of light by which man see of the object. Therefore, reflection of light help us to see the objects. So, okay student, here this is man eyes, reflected light, here body, and it is the light source of light, The light fall on the body from that source, from this source, and light reflected from the body which fall on the man eyes, then man clearly see of the body, which is depend on the reflection of light. Therefore, reflection of light is very important role to see any objects clearly. So, okay student, here reflection of light help us to see the objects. Reflections of light help us to see the objects. So, okay students, this is very important role of reflection in our life. Here this concept is very important. You write in your notebook clearly and learn all. After this, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.